You can scan and email documents directly from the scanner. Before you begin, connect your scanner to the network. To set up this feature, you can use the control panel or a computer on the same network as your scanner. Once you've connected your scanner to the network, tap this icon. Then tap Router. Note your scanner's IP address. Enter the IP address in your computer's web browser to access your scanner's web config page. Then, click Log In and enter your administrator username and password. Select the Network tab and, under Email Server, click Basic. Select the server's authentication method. If your account uses two-factor authentication, you may need to enter an app password instead. Set up your app password in your email account's settings and enter it in the Authenticated Password field. Fill in the sender's email address field. This can be any email address and does not need to match the authenticated account. If you selected SMTP as the server's authentication method, enter the SMTP server address and port number. Select the server's security method. When you're done, click OK. The scanner connects to the email server. If an error message appears, check the server's security settings. Select the Scan tab. Click Contacts. Select one of the available contact entries, then click Edit. Enter the contact's name. Then enter the contact's name again in the index word field. Select Email as the type. Enter the contact's email address. Then click Apply. Repeat this process if you want to add additional contacts. Load your document in the scanner. Tap Email. Tap Contacts, then select a contact you created. Or, if you'd like to enter an email address manually, tap Keyboard, enter an email address, then tap OK. Adjust your scan settings as needed. If you want to save these settings as a preset, tap this icon. Tap Start to begin scanning.